Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS Aspirants. My name is Ankit Chaudhary, and in today's video we would discuss some very useful words, vocabulary and phrases that can be easily used in your speaking module. So what are the useful words and vocabulary? Let's have a look. So this is our very first. Every day is a heyday. First of all, it rhymes well. Every day, heyday, right? Every day is a heyday, so we shouldn't be so apprehensive in our life. So maybe for you there are two uncommon words. First is heyday. Heyday means any happy day, a day in which we enjoy. And our second word is apprehensive. Apprehensive means we shouldn't be so worried. Apprehensive means being worried about particular thing or situation. Clear? So it means every day is a happy day. We shouldn't be so worried in our life. And how it can be used? It can be easily used if you are creative enough. For example, you're talking about your favorite celebrity in your cue card. In that case, you can use this. How the sentence will go like, you would say, my favorite celebrity is Virat Kohli. And once I was listening his interview, and in his interview, he said something very important and productive. And he said, we shouldn't be so apprehensive in our life. We should consider every day a heyday. So here, if you look, these sentences, these phrases can be easily used. For example, your second cue card is any older person whom you like to spend your time with. Again, it can be used. You could say he is none other than my own grandfather. I love to spend my quality of time with him, and I go to him every day in early morning. Once I remember I was feeling stressed, so I directly went to him and he said me something very important. And what did he say? He said the same. He said we shouldn't be so worried in our life, we shouldn't be so apprehensive in our life, because every single day should be considered a heyday. So again, it could be used creatively. So this is up to you. And these are merely two examples. It can be used everywhere again if you are creative enough. So now we would discuss about our second one, leaving an indelible imprint on anything. Indelible means something that cannot be removed, something that cannot be washed out. Imprint means it is very clear mark of something. So overall it means if you have something that has strong impression on your mind or anything, that will always stay in your mind, that will always last. So in that case we can use this phrase. And how the sentence would go like, you could use, once I was reading this book, after reading this book I truly got inspired, I got to know a lot of new things, and this book left an indelible imprint on my mind. And I'm using the word left here. Leave is the first form, and left is the past of the verb leave. So if I'm using left, it means I'm talking something that have happened in past. Now we will discuss about this. The very last, spill the beans. It is a phrase. It means it is used for any person who reveals his secrets very easily. For example, he spilled the beans means he revealed his all secrets. Overall, we could say girls are always good at spilling the beans. Correct me in comment section if I'm wrong. Overall, I'm just kidding. So that's all for today's video. Hopefully this will help. You should start using this in your speaking section. So hopefully we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you very much.
एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए।